Okay, next step will be to make our bullet to extra lunch. And for that, we will need to have another C# script. So in this scripts folder, let's create another script with the name of this time. Let's call it bullet. Well, I called it bullet. I prepared the same T script for us to use, and we will assign these bullets into the bullet prefix. So let's go in the prefix. Let's select play your bullet. Let's drop it down here. We can click add components, and in the search box you can type name of the script. In this case, my script is named bullet. So if your script is named something else, of course, you will type that name here in the search box. But in this case, it's bullet. Okay, anyway, let's double click our bullets. And let's think how we can launch our bullet. Well, first of all, we will need reference for the rigid body. And also we will need to have some speed. So public float, let's call this one bullet speed. And also we will need the reference for the rigid body. So we will say private rigid body RB. And we will get reference for the RB with a get components method in the start function. So we can say RB equals get components. Component's name is rigid body brackets in semicolon. Okay. Also, as I said, we want our bullets to have some speed. And we are doing it in the start function because the player shooting script will create bullet for for us, and then when the bullet is created, it should have some speed immediately. Because we want to shoot, so we are doing in the teaching this start function this time. And we can use a lot of ways how we can launch the splits. But I'm gonna use RB.Velocity, which is rigid by the .Velocity. And in order to work, it needs to have some direction. In this case, we want to have forward direction always. So transform those forward, and we can basically multiply it to some bullet speed. And that's pretty much it. We can save the script. Very simple script. We are just using original Venezuela city to make the bullet go and fly, and let's check. Let's first of all select the prefab of the player bullet. Let's scroll down and let's make bullets B to B. I don't know 12, we will test it. Let's also create one 3D object cube to shoot X. Let's take it and position it around here. I will make the speaker basically. I will change scaling on the X and Y. Like little bit of wall we created, and okay. I think we can now hit play. And let's see what will happen. And as you see, we are not really able to launch these bullets. Yeah, it's created, but we are not fully able to launch. Because we have weird mechanics. Our bullet is basically. Let's stop for a moment. Let's go in the scene wheel, and where are our bullets? Well, our bullets are going in the wrong direction, as I see right here. Let's see why it happened. Well, we have this player bullet. And let's check. Let's go in the. Let's select player, let's select fire poso. That happened because our fire position has completely wrong direction right now. As you see, forward direction is completely wrong. So we will change the fire position to have rotation on the Y to be 180, and now the Z direction is forward direction. That's why I was telling you that those arrows are quite important. And unit considers forward direction to be same as this blue arrow, and since this blue arrow of the fire position was in the opposite way, Our bullets we are flying in the opposite way. And now we can basically hit play, and everything will fine. But let's check, yeah. Indeed, we are able to now shoot our bullets. The problem is that we can shoot as much as we want. And we will deal with it, but also the problem is that these bullets are staying in the scene. And that's not exactly what we are and what wants. And what I like. We want these bullets to be destroyed after some time. And not too, because otherwise it will be bad for the performance. And for that we can go in the bullet script again. And we can create our wake function before the start function. So we can stay awake. Avoid awake. And this awake function runs before the start function. And here, we can say that we want to destroy our game object coma. And we can say after some time, for example to F. It means that our bullets will be destroyed, no matter what after 2 seconds. Let's save the script, and let's test if they are really are. And now let's hit play. And let's shoot. Let's see, yeah, they are disappearing as you see 1 and 2. After 2 seconds, they are disappear. Okay, very nice. Basic shooting mechanics working. We are able to indeed shoot our bullets. I'll end this video over here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any new videos. See you in the next videos.